Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make chiffon cake with Foi Thong. Foi Thong is a Thai dessert made from the yolk egg and dropped into the hot syrup. It's also a wonderful cake. The combination of cake and this Foi Thong was very good. First, we gonna use the yolk egg with the sugar. All ingredients I will put in the description box below. And then mix it until it's homogeneous and it look like creamy. And then we gonna add milk and also the vegetable oil. And then we gonna sip the cake flour with the baking powder and salt. Live chiffon cakes are one of my favorite desserts to make. It's very light and simple and also very delicious. So it's nice chance from all heavy desserts out there. Mix the batter until it's homogeneous and not have stuck of the flour. Now it's ready for the batter and then continue with the white egg. So we in the last mixing bowl beat egg white and cream of tartar until it's very stiff. And then continue to add the sugar. Beat the egg whites until the egg whites go straight up or stiff peak and just the tip is soft enough that is float over. And now it's ready. You can see the white egg is stiff peak like this. And then we continue to mix with the yolk egg. Add our meringue or our white egg separate by at 3 times. The first time we gonna mix it well. Try to float beaten egg white into the yolk egg mixture so that you would not deflate the egg white, which would result in the dense cake. And then gentle float in the rest of the egg white into the yolk egg until no white remains. This is our Foi Thong or yolk egg sweet, and we gonna make it to be the separate the line, and then put onto the cup that we will put the chiffon cake. For the Foi Thong recipe, I will put the link in the description box below. It's very easy, non-difficult, just only use sugar and the yolk egg. And then we're gonna put the Foi Thong into the bottom of the cups. And also make the list design like a heart. And then we're gonna add our batter. And add the hot water as high of the Foi Thong. This one will help the moisture of the Foi Thong still. And put in the oven with the temperature 175 Celsius at the 30 to 40 minutes. And that is we get our chiffon cake. It's so nice and beautiful. You can see our chiffon heart. It's very good combination with the chiffon. It's too soft and not too sweet. With our Foi Thong, when we eat together, it's the good match. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. Is the mix with the Thai desserts with the bakery. So thank you for watching my video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.